We are going.
Or to the library. We are going to Australia.
Yes.
Yeah, please. Oh, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Now, is there any backpack here? Okay. Okay.
Landing in Australia with a kit is an exciting adventure. But beyond the initial thrill, there are a few essential things to sort out to ensure a smooth transition for your family. I migrated to Australia with my 6-year-old kid and we settled in Melbourne. So I hope these tips will be helpful for you to settle comfortably if you are here with the kid. The initial days can be a whirlwind. Both you and your child might experience a sense of displacement. It's crucial to create a comforting environment. Unpack familiar items like their favorite toy or blanket immediately. Explore your local surroundings together. A nearby park, a small cafe. These little excursions can make a big difference in helping them feel secure and happy in their new environment. Melbourne claims an excellent public transport network of trains, trams, and buses, all accessible with a Myki card. You can purchase a reusable Myki card from the airport, major train stations, designated kiosks, and many convenience stores, including 7-Eleven. Remember, each person, including children aged 5 to 18, needs their own Myki card to travel legally. While children aged 4 and under travel for free, those between 5 and 18 are entitled to concession fares. To access these concession fares, you need to obtain a concession Myki card and provide proof of age, such as a passport or for older children, a student ID. Upon arrival, one of the first health related tasks is to ensure your child's vaccination records are recognized in Australia. Bring their official vaccination history with you. To integrate this information into the Australian Immunisation Register, you need to visit a local general practitioner or contact your local council's health services. Once updated, you will receive notifications about any upcoming vaccinations. This step is crucial as up-to-date immunization records are often required for school and childcare enrollment, as well as for claiming the childcare subsidy. Navigating healthcare with children requires understanding the Australian system. If you have private health insurance, ensure it's active and covers common pediatric health concerns. For permanent residents and eligible visa holders enrolling in Medicare, Australia's public healthcare system is essential. You can typically enroll online through the Services Australia website or by visiting a Medicare office. For non-emergency health issues, your first point of contact will be a general practitioner at a local medical clinic. If your child needs to see a specialist, like a pediatrician, a referral from your GP is usually required. In case of medical emergency, dial 000 for ambulance services or go directly to the emergency department of a public hospital. It's also important to obtain an individual healthcare identifier for your child. This is a unique number used to identify them within the healthcare system. For children under 14, you might not be able to apply for this online and may need to complete a paper form or do it through another process. Once you are more settled, enrolling school-aged children is the next key step. In Victoria, education is compulsory from around the age of 5. The school system is divided into preschool or kindergarten, primary school, and secondary school. To find the designated public school for your residential address, you can often use online tools available on the Victorian Department of Education website. While your child is guaranteed a place at their designated school, you can also apply to other schools, though acceptance will depend on factors like availability. After identifying potential schools, I highly recommend contacting them to arrange a school tour. This provides invaluable insights into the school's environment, facilities, and community. Once you have chosen a school, contact their enrollment office to inquire about the specific processes and required documentation. For Victorian government schools, the process generally involves filling out enrollment forms and submitting documents such as your child's birth certificate, passport, vaccination records, visa details, and proof of your residential address. Depending on your visa category, you may be required to pay school fees. If you plan to purchase a car, remember that Australian law mandates the use of appropriate car seats for children based on their age and size. Familiarize yourself with these regulations and ensure you have a compliant car seat professionally installed before transporting your child. Taking care of these essentials upon arrival will make a big difference in your family's settlement in Australia. I hope this video has been a useful starting point, and I wish you a wonderful journey as you and your family make Australia your new home.